Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road Expansion update at the moment. Yeah, gonna get up the pitch, see if anything's gone on. I haven't had a look yet. I always like to be surprised as much as you are. Oh. Anything going on? Something's going on. Let's go. What's this down here? Okay, just start making a route for the pitch covering, basically. So I've been told that 2/3 of the pitch is going to be covered up. So this is the start of it. Oh, let's zoom right in. What's this big thing here? Okay, so that's grabbing the pieces and putting them on the ground. Okay, so they started covering the pitch, which is good news. Let's just see what they're up to in the middle of the pitch. Workers getting selfies in the middle of the Anfield pitch. No, it won't be. Yeah, they're discussing what and where. Or I don't know. It looks like they're posing for a photograph. Do they know I'm here? Okay. So workers all over the pitch. I'm gonna get over this side and have a good look down. Down here. Okay. So I was told that's where the access point would be, at the Cop and Canada release ends. I'm gonna spin round. Sorry if it's a bit jerky, guys. I've got it in fast mode. It's not exactly sport mode, but it's a lot faster than I normally have it. Now, some eagle-eyed people noticed that seats had been removed. Here. There you go. So seats have been removed there. Now people are speculating that that could be for support when they're taking the roof down. Which would make sense, because it's going to need supporting in it. So I want to try and stay in sight of the drone and see what's going on down here. This is the entry point here. That's the entry point there. How's it going to come in around here and onto the pitch. Okay. I'm going to come back round. Not a lot to see there. Roof wise, you can see this. Right, one thing I was going to look at last time was, so you got the seats in there, but you've also got the seating in here. The framework for the more seats to go in, and I think there's some this side as well. Yeah, there's some that side as well. So there's more seats going in the upper tier now. These are up to in the front here. In fact, I'll fly over that way and I'll fly over and because I want to get back over. So I'm right over the cop at the minute. So that's exciting to see the pitch getting covered now. So what I've been told is, crane wise, it's going to be one crane. It's going to be a 78 ton crane with a 300 ton lift capacity. So if anyone knows about cranes, that'll probably make more sense to you than it does to me. They're getting ready for something there. These are up to down here. So I missed loads when I'm looking on the phone, you see. When I look back at my last video, I noticed there's loads of people on the roof when I was looking back at it. So I've got to keep eagle-eyed here. So these are up to down here. They're quite hidden. Anything else anyone wants to see, let me know. So I'm going to come back over the park now. Someone there. Is that someone there? Yeah. So there's obviously some prepping going on for something on the roof. Yeah, I know there. Ah, okay. More cladding to go on somewhere, I'm guessing. I don't know. Yeah, that needs finishing at the back corner there, doesn't it? And that needs tidying up down there, and then they'll probably move on to the shoulder spans then. Okay, so I'll come back around, I can drop down lower now. I'm sorry about the jerky motions, guys, just if there's a lot to see, I want to get round it as fast as I can. Oh, what's he up to on this cherry picker? He's going up to somewhere. Ah, right, okay. So I mentioned this, that he started painting the stands. And that's what he's doing now, he's spray painting it. See how it's done. Class. There we go. You can see the video, mate. You're doing a fine job. Okay. Well done. I'm gonna pull back and drop down a bit lower. Is that brickwork above that window still not gone in? What would the reason for that be, if they've done all the rest in like a short amount of time, but they've left that one? Any ideas, let me know. Come round and have a look at this. There's that. What's that down there? There's more revealed down there now with the scaffolding gone. Doorway. Windows, yeah. What are these discussing down here? What he's doing inside? Okay. More people on the roof here. Alright, okay, that's for the spans. What stuff already done? The span, I thought the spans are complete. At first I thought I was looking at solar panels then. nothing much over that side. It's all going on here, isn't it? So I'll have one last look at these. Got balls of steel, these guys. It's probably safe as ours up there, but I just wouldn't trust it. So I see these are going to concentrate on the shoulder spans, then getting the cladding on. Right there, let's just stick with these and see what these. See little walkways and that. Oh right, it's not a walkway. He's walking along the beam. Top man. So there you are. That's unreal. He looks like he's on a tightrope. Yeah, fair play to them. What's that? Just bags in it. Okay. See if there's anything over here that I need to look at. Where's this crane? Is it doing anything? Yeah, it's lifting steels up. Okay. Trying to get as much covered as I can, guys. Pitch wise, it's starting to get covered, you can see that. I'll be back tomorrow to see how far they've got with the covering, because this is about 11:30 in the morning. What's he doing down there? What D's doing down there? See, is that new? That steel work there? I don't remember that being there. See, things just fly up and you don't notice. See, that's all the way along now. Was that already there? And I've just not noticed it. Yeah, I don't know. Right guys, this has gone on long enough. I'm going to leave it there. I'll be back tomorrow for another update. This is going to be a daily thing now for Anfield at the moment, but there's so much going on pitch wise, and I don't want to miss anything of that roof coming down. Okay, so as soon as the crane goes, you know what, quick look down here, as soon as the crane goes on the pitch, I'll be here to get it. I'll hopefully be informed as soon as that goes on by someone. Okay, not in there yet. Sounds okay. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you like the video, please subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. I know I keep banging on about it, but once this is gone, just lost signal to the drone. Okay, it's returning home to me. But once this is gone, I've got loads of other plans that I want to do, so I want to build up my subscriber base as best I can. Let me face the ground again. When I am lost. There we are. I don't even know why I lost signal. I think it's because of turnarounds. Yeah, once this is gone, I'm moving on to other projects that I'm excited to be focusing on. Okay. University wise, I've got my feedback for my second year. My second year is complete now. I'll get my feedback on that this week, so on Thursday actually, so I'll let you know how my feedback went. Okay, but apart from that, thanks for watching guys. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.